I'm Shay Russell from mining.com.au, and joining me today is the Managing Director for Western Mines Group, Caedmon Marriott. Caedmon, how are you today?
Hey, good, thanks, Shay. Good to see you again.
Yes, it's good to have you back on, and congratulations to you. I've seen today's announcement, but I don't want to spoil it for everybody listening. Please share the good news with us.
Yeah, so this morning we announced a capital raise for Western Mines Group, raising just over $1.5 million. But I think most importantly, the capital raise was led by a group called Dundee Corporation, an international mining fund out of Canada. They've been conducting due diligence on us for about the last 3 months, and they've now completed that, and they've come in to cornerstone our raise this morning.
This is such a compliment that Dundee Corporation has not only taken an interest in your company, but also taken a financial stake in your company because they are quite a technical firm. And I believe that when they're investigating a company, they like to dot their I's and cross their T's. Isn't that correct?
Yes, I think that's certainly true. We were introduced to Dundee by my mate Charlie at Tamasys Partners in London, who thought we'd be a good fit together, particularly for our Mulga Tank project. But yeah, Dundee, a very, very technical outfit. They generally run a pretty concentrated portfolio, though they like to get to sort of high teens percentage ownership of their portfolio companies. And yes, they've conducted very extensive due diligence on the Mulga Tank project. I kind of joke that they now know more about the project than us. They've already completed a full resource model. They have all the software to do pit optimization, mine plans, financials, and things like that. So yes, very robust due diligence that we've been working with them on for the last couple of months. And now this morning, yeah, they've come in for a stake in the company in our capital raise.
It is very much a vote of confidence in what you're working on at Mulga Tank. Now, speaking of Mulga Tank, tell me, what is Western Mines Group going to be doing to progress this project further next?
Yeah, so well, with this money in the bank, we'll be getting back out there. We've been very active for the first half of the year. The guys were out pretty much from the end of January through to early June with continuous drilling programs. They've had 2 or 3 weeks off now, whilst we've been waiting for a downhole EM crew to come and do downhole EM on our recent deep diamond hole, which was MTD 29, our EIS hole. It was a 1,700 meter hole, and there aren't too many EM crews with a 2,000 meter winch in order to survey that hole. So we've been waiting on that. They'll be going to site towards the end of next week with the guys. So we'll be getting back out to survey that, possibly looking to do a wedge off that hole, targeting the center of a mobile MT anomaly. Along with that, we have about another 10,000 meters of RC planned, both infilling around the area that we've currently drilled. Something that Dundee highlighted in their analysis, actually, that if we can look to improve on some of the richer areas for what would be a kind of a higher grade starter pit, that would add significant value to the project. So we'll be infilling, targeting some higher grade things there. We'll be stepping out around the main Mulga Tank body to further expand the resource. And then also we have a second EIS grant to drill some further RC holes up in the tenement to the north, tenement 2134. So these will be the first regional drilling holes targeting the Komatiite channel. So we're quite excited at that. Almost a new geology, a new target, very validating the exploration model. So yeah, just more of the same. We've drilled pretty hard in the first half, and we'll continue drilling pretty hard in the second half of the year.
You say more of the same. I say that's incredible. You've got a relentless program to drive you through to the end of the year. Matt, I just want to say congratulations again on today's news. Excellent partner to have on board. And honestly, I can't wait to see what comes next. This looks amazing.
Exactly. Yeah, all the drilling we do at Mulga Tank, we just find more and more nickel sulfide. And we hope that continues with a lot more drilling to come.
Thank you for being here.
Thank you, Shay.